Imagine a tiny point, smaller than an atom. This point was unbelievably hot and dense. Suddenly, it exploded. This was the Big Bang, the birth of our universe. Space itself expanded, like a balloon being inflated. From this explosion came everything, all the matter and energy we know. Over time, this matter cooled and clumped together. Tiny particles formed atoms, the building blocks of everything. These atoms then formed vast clouds of gas and dust, scattered throughout the early universe. These clouds would eventually become the birthplaces of stars and planets, including our own Earth. In a quiet corner of the Milky Way galaxy, a giant cloud of gas and dust began to collapse under its own gravity. As it shrank, it spun faster and faster like a spinning figure skater pulling in their arms. The center of this swirling cloud grew incredibly hot and dense. Finally, it ignited. Our sun was born. The sun's powerful gravity pulled in most of the surrounding gas and dust, but some of it remained, swirling around the newborn star in a vast disk. Within this disk, the seeds of our solar system's planets, including Earth, were sown. Within the swirling disk of gas and dust around our young sun, tiny particles collided and stuck together. Over millions of years, these particles grew larger, forming rocks, boulders, and eventually, planet-sized objects. This is how our Earth was formed, a fiery ball of molten rock and metal, constantly bombarded by asteroids and comets. Early Earth was a chaotic and violent place, but from this chaos came something remarkable. A Mars-sized object slammed into Earth, blasting molten rock into space. This debris, caught in Earth's gravity, eventually coalesced to form our moon, a constant companion in the vastness of space. Over millions of years, Earth slowly cooled. Volcanoes erupted, releasing gases from the planet's interior. These gases formed Earth's early atmosphere, though it was very different from the air we breathe today. As Earth continued to cool, something magical happened. Water vapor in the atmosphere condensed, forming clouds and raining down on the scorched surface. Oceans formed, covering most of the planet. These oceans would become the cradle of life, the birthplace of the first single-celled organisms that would eventually evolve into all life on Earth, including us. The journey from a fiery ball of rock to a water world was long and arduous, but it paved the way for the incredible diversity of life we see today.